Henan Mine. On the basis of traditional electromagnetic beam crane, tailored for semi-heavy industry, developed and manufactured automated steel transportation cranes. This crane is not only safer and more efficient, it can also achieve automated and intelligent operation. At the same time, it has high positioning accuracy, fast running speed, maintenance-free, and other advantages. The thin steel plate first passes through the steel plate conveying straightening platform. Straighten the angle and enter the exact position. The steel plate handling crane automatically runs above the steel plate. Use a vacuum suction cup to suck up the steel plate and lift it up. And then it's hooked to the bottom. To prevent emergencies such as power outages caused by falling steel plate, steel plate transporting steel plates accurately to the target station automatically lowers the plate and releases the safety hook. The steel plate then enters the next processing process. When the handling material is a white steel plate handling crane automatically adjusts the widths between the vacuum cups to ensure a safer suction plate. At the same time, users can also meet their own production needs. Select auto-adjusting vacuum chuck tackle. Auto configurations of manually adjusted vacuum suction cup fishing tackle. When the handling material is thick steel plate handling crane, electromagnets will be used for handling. At this time, the spreader varies according to the configuration, automatic or manual increase in vacuum chuck height. To ensure that the electromagnetic handling process, vacuum suction cups are not worn. Extend the life of the spreader. Crane electromagnetic automated handling process. The safety hook will still function. Ensure safe production. Henan Mine. Production of steel plate automatic handling cranes. It has now been mass-produced and put into use, and received unanimous praise from users at home and abroad. This equipment is not limited to use in the steel plate processing industry. It is also suitable for other metal sheet building panels, processing and production of wood glass and other industries.